Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will assist you in understanding the delay of bars and its impact on backtesting results. Delay of bars refers to the time difference between trade decisions and their actual execution during the backtest. Usually, trade decisions are based on past price and indicator data, while actual execution is based on the current market price. For example, if you set the delay of bars to 3, the trade will be delayed by 3 bars when the conditions are met before triggering. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the delay of bars and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Delay of Bars option. In the default setting, the Delay of Bars feature is in the unclicked state. You need to click on Delay of Bars, and then you can specify the trading day range in the input box. Now, let's set it to 3. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest where Delay of Bars is not clicked. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it becomes evident that when setting the delay of bars to 3 in the backtest, as there is a need to delay by 3 trading days after the conditions are met, the relevant data will also change. When analyzing individual trades, we can observe that in the backtest without setting delay of bars, the exit date for the first trade was on May 28, 2004. However, in the backtest with delay of bars set to 3, the first exit date was on June 3. The chart clearly shows that the conditions were met on May 28, but due to the need for a 3-bar delay, the trade occurred on June 3. Therefore, based on your trading strategy and trading conditions, you can choose whether to use and set the appropriate delay of bars. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the delay of bars feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.